during in this deep, this bleeding crypto market. How you guys feeling? Hope you are good and hope you are in stables right now, because it could still go deeper and deeper and deeper. Okay, so my advice is, if you can convert all your altcoins, convert them to stables. Nice. If you can. If you can't, just leave it. All right, it will still come back. Okay, it's just for the meantime. Okay, so let's pray it doesn't go deeper than that. All right, so in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make deposit on Pegasus. Okay, some persons have been having issues and they don't know how to deposit um, crypto assets into Pegasus. Okay, so I'll be showing you guys how to do it. It's quite simple. All right, now, so this is the home page and I've successfully logged in into my own account. Okay, so this is just it. So what you have to do is you come here, you click on this menu and you see deposit right here. So you can see, let me zoom. So you're seeing deposit right here. So you click on deposit. Okay, then you wait for it to load. All right, now, so this is it now. Minimum deposit is $50. You can see $50 is the minimum deposit. Okay, so you have to input the amount you want to deposit. Let's say 100 right here, and the crypto assets you want to deposit. Let's say you want to deposit Bitcoin. You select Bitcoin. There are so many other cryptocurrencies here. You can see you have Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, Cardano, Tron. So you will choose the one that is best for you. But my own advice is use USDT TRX, that is Tron USDT. Okay, that is my own advice, and it's not a financial advice also. Okay, so you do what works for you. Okay, so you just select the asset of your choice. For me, I'm going with USDT TRX, so I'll select this and I've inputted the amount I want to deposit. Then I click on proceed to payments. Okay, so you can see here, let me zoom in. If the deposit, you have to read this, if the deposit is less than the amount given, it will not be credited. Hope you are taking notes. If the deposit is less than the amount given, it will not be credited. So therefore, when you want to make your deposit, look here, make sure the money you are sending from your centralized exchange like Binance or OKX, make sure it's up to this amount. That is 101.977675. Make sure it's up to this amount. It could be 101.9. Okay, 101.99. Let's say 101.99. Okay, so make sure it's up to this amount. Then you copy this address. You click on copy. So you can see here copied. Okay, so you copy this address and you go to your Binance. Now let me show you how you do it. Now let me open my Binance and show you how to go about it, guys. So this is my Binance. I'm going to show you how to send from Binance to Pegasus. All right, so this is my Binance. So I'll go to sports and I'll click on USD. I'll search for it since I'm sending USDT. So you can see Theta. This is Theta USD, which is the first one, Theta US. So I'll select this. Okay, then I'll click on withdrawer. Since I have USD I want to send to Pegasus, it will be withdraw and not deposit because you are removing. So I'll click on send via crypto network. Okay, so I have to paste the address which I copied from Pegasus. I'll paste the address and select network as TRC, which is this Tron TRC. This is the network I'm going to select, and it will take about 25 minutes to arrive. And I'll click on it, then confirm. Okay, then the amount I want to send, 101.99. Let's say this amount I want to send. Okay, let's say 102. Instead, let's send 102 because of the transfer fee, which is network fee. Binance will take 1 USD, so we'll send 102.99. So what we'll receive on Pegasus will be 101.99. Okay, take note when withdrawing. Note, Binance will take 1 USDT for network fee. So instead of sending 101.99, send 102.99. So they will use the they will take their network fee from this amount. Okay, so it will be 102.99. So when you've done that, you just click on withdraw and it will be sent direct to Pegasus, guys. Okay, so that's just how it works. Very, very simple. All right, so guys, take action and I will see you in the next video. All right.